In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in Canva. So we're going to start by clicking on Create a Design and then go in selecting a template. Now, essentially, there's two different ways where you can create a table in Canva. The first method is to click on Elements from the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the Table section and click on See All. And then from here, we can go and select the table that we want to use. So I'm just going to select this top one here. And as you can see, we can now go and reposition and also resize this table. And if you want to edit the layout of the table, then you can click on these three horizontal dots and go and select Add or Delete Column. You can also add text inside of the table cells just by double clicking on one of the cells and typing in the text. So that's the first method to create a table in Canva. The second method is to go and manually create a table yourself, and you can do that by clicking on Elements in the left hand side, and beneath Shapes we're going to click on the rectangle tool and then just go and select a color for your table, and then we can resize this to a rectangular shape like so. And I'm also going to reposition this into the top left hand side of the screen. Then I'm going to press Ctrl C on my keyboard to copy and then press Ctrl V to paste, and then I'm just going to move this slightly over to the right of this first cell. Then I'm going to highlight both of these rectangles like so, press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V, and I'm also going to reposition these slightly over to the left. And lastly, I'm now going to select all of these rectangles, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and this time I'm just going to reposition these slightly below these top ones. And once you've done that, we can select all of them again, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then just like before, you can go and reposition these on the screen. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create tables in Canva. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.